Okay, hello everyone. Today I want to talk about today's trade that I took. It's a win, but break even, still a win though. So yeah, let me show you the chart. What the fuck is it? This one? Okay. Let me show you the chart, and still on TradeLocker, the Morale account, and yeah, using PB Black strategy. So what's the entry here? So first of all, I'm looking at to 1 hour before this move up, like somewhere in here. Currently, we are little bearish, right? Move down, move up, move down. Really bearish structure. So what am I doing? Just because why on 1 hour? Because 4 hour doesn't really give anything. So yeah, it's way more clear about the structure on hourly than on 4 hour. So yeah, really bearish, and also we have London high here. We also have this hourly gap that haven't got filled. So what do I say in this trade? So I said, okay, today's bearish. I'm looking when market open. I want to manipulate to a key level that's synchronized with our bias, which is bearish. And for the bearish, we have this referral gap, and we have this, what is it called? London high or session high and lows as our liquidity grab or manipulation, you can say it. So market open, move up, fill the gap, and then we form a gap here, and we fill it, and this actually could be pretty much our entry model for long because we actually have a inverse gap on 1 minute, I think. We have this, fill the gap, we have a gap here, inverse it, and we have entry here. We can set our break even here after it's like the most significant high that we can take as our take partial or take profit, and we do hit the take partial, but in terms of risk reward, it's not really that good, and also it's not even synchronized with our bias, because if you already know the bias, we should just keep that bias in our mind and just remove all the noise, remove all the other noise. So yeah, I was waiting because we not only we are also in bullish key level, even though we on bullish key level, but we still have our main uh purpose in today's bias, which is to be bearish. It's way more bearish, so that's why I'm waiting for it. I actually marked this gap here to be in first, uh, at first, but then we have the entry to the upside, so I'm just waiting and waiting, and actually after that, now because in this high that was resting in the hourly gap, it still haven't inversed it. So now when we take it out again here in this candle, we move up and take it out again. So now it become internal high, right? Its internal high is like high or low that resting in a fair value gap. So we take that internal high. So now we have two key level, which is way more support, supporting our bias to the downside. We on internal high key level. Also we on fair value gap key level, and also we also have London or session high and low key level. In this case, we are using London high for our key level. So we are in three key level, synchronized with all our bias to be bearish. So I was looking for 3 minutes. Here I don't really fucking know what the fuck is wrong here. It's a file to fetch or whatever. I thought it's like in my internet, but the other one is working just fine, like 2 minutes. So I was using 2 minutes because this is the only thing that I can use. The highest time frame inverse gap, right? We have a gap on 1 minute, but we check on 2 minutes. We also have the same gap, so we're using the 2 minutes. In 3 minutes, it doesn't really show anything. So on 5 minutes, we don't really have any gap, so we are using 2 minutes because 2 minutes is the highest time frame that's showing the inverse gap, right? So inverse the gap, enter short, take partial here. I was taking partial here in this candle, as you can see the screen, 0.09 lots because I was entering in total size like 0.19. Yeah, it's 0.19. And then I set break even here, and then after that price move up and then go down again after we go down here after, and then we form another significant high here. So I just move again my stop loss to be lower here to somewhere in here. Let me mark it out so it's way more clear. So it to there, and then just wait for it, and then after that, price just move up to to the upside like crazy, as you can see, and just hit our break even, and that's all. Still win. I think it's making around how much did it's 569 close position. I think it's this one. This one. 26, 20 October here. first take result 466, and then the other on break even only like $130. So it's around, holy shit, I think 500, yeah, $596. I think, let me know if it's wrong, but I'm just going to put it in the title anyway. So yeah, that's it for today's trade. Let's see if tomorrow we can take another trade. It's a minus here because this is like alt as account. Like that I used for the first time when I learned from TGR at first. But yeah, but now I'm using PB Blake because it's just way more easier in my opinion, and it's not like I'm hop on strategy and tried it out, but it's still on the same concept. You know what I mean? It's still ICT. So yeah, PB Blake or PB Trade. It's just way more efficient and way more understandable in my opinion. Mm, I'm not saying that the GR strategy is not working, but it's just way more easier. So it's way more consistent because PB Blake always talk about his trade and it's always consistent about the strategy that he's using. But other on the other hand, TGR I don't really know, but recently in his trade recap, it just not really using the strategy that he told how to people, even though he said there's no strategy. So yeah, I just want to use something that actually way more people consistent using it and talk about it like PB Blake. He always talk about consistently about the strategy that he used and exactly entering and explaining using the exact strategy that he told people about. So yeah. So that's it for today. I'm excited for February because on February then I'm going to start buy another fund again, and then apply this strategy because I was already using this strategy like for a month in January. So yeah, that's it for today. See you guys on the next trade. Maybe tomorrow. We'll see. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.